This tutorial is going to show you how to create a digital workflow with your students using D2L and using Google Classroom. The first thing you're going to have to do is set up your Google Classroom. So go into your bookmarks and go right to Google Classroom, and you're going to go click the plus sign to create a new class. I would name it so it coincides with what you've called your D2L class. Now remember, we're just using this for assignments, so we're going to set up a couple things to start you off. Let's go up to the little gear cog up top. The first thing we need to do is we need to invite the students to your class. Now there's three different ways we can do this. One, you can post a class code directly into D2L. That's this weird looking code here. So if you just copied that and put that into D2L and told the kiddos to go to Google Classroom, they simply add that code to get in there. The other option that you have is you can actually send them an invite link. So you could go in, you could copy this invitation link, and you can paste that into a D2L announcement to get students into your class as well. The third way, if you were just in your class page here, if you go into people, you can manually invite your students here as well by either clicking the plus person sign or clicking invite. What you would have to do here though is you would have to type in the person's name, it is connected to our directory, and then just invite them to that class. So they would get an invitation code and hit accept when they see that, or when they go into their Google Classroom for the first time, they will see it pop up here and it'll say invited. They just click invite. So you can do that your choice, either three of those ways. The other thing we want to make sure of, when we go to our Google Classroom, Google Meet is actually integrated into the classroom. But if you just create your own class, you're not going to have that, which is good because we're just focused on using Classroom for assignments. If you do notice a link in there, go to your little gear setting again, and you'll scroll down. You can see mine says Generate Meet Link. I'm not even going to because I don't want that on my page. But if yours is there for some reason, you're just going to make sure it's not visible to students so they can't click on it and go to a meeting. Now that your classroom is set up, it's time to move on to creating the assignment in D2L. Check out part 2 for more information.